In today's video, I'm talking to you all about how to add multiple different drop shadow effects to your text right inside of Adobe Photoshop. So let's not waste any more time and let's get right into today's video. So once you're inside of Adobe Photoshop, we want to begin by creating a brand new title. So we'll go to the T icon on the left of Photoshop, select the canvas, and we'll just type out a word of our choice. So I'm just typing out hello. I'm going to increase the size of this to around 90%. And then we'll just center that up in the middle of the canvas. Now from here, we're going to go to the bottom right of Photoshop. We'll double click on the hello layer. That's the text layer. We'll go up to blending options. And inside of blending options, we can see we've got drop shadow. So I'm going to go ahead and turn drop shadow on. And inside of drop shadow, we've got all of these different settings. So we've got blend mode, opacity, angle, distance, spread, and size. First, I'm going to begin by changing the color. So I'm going to change this from red to, let's say, orange. We'll start with an orange, and you can decrease or increase the opacity. You can change the angle of the drop shadow. So as you can see, we can tilt this down to the bottom left by putting it up there. Can increase the distance if we like, so I'm going to pull that up to around 20%, and I'm happy with the look of that. So that is how you would go through the process of adding one drop shadow effect. But if you wanted to add another drop shadow effect, what would you do? Well, quite simply, you just press this plus button in the box underneath drop shadow, and that's going to make another drop shadow. So select the second drop shadow, that's the one underneath. We'll go into the blend mode. We'll change the color from orange to green, and then we'll increase the distance to 40%. And as you can see, we've got that green text underneath that yellow text. Of course, we can do this process again. So we'll press that plus box, go to the third drop shadow, change the color to blue, and then we'll change the distance from 40 to 60 pixels. And of course, you can just keep doing this process over and over again for as many times as you need. Now this looks really awesome and it is extremely simple to do. So if you enjoyed watching this video, or if you feel like you learned something, then please do let me know in that comment section below. Consider subscribing, and I will see you on the next video. See you there.